There is a downtown express train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform. The next downtown train will arrive in 2 minutes.
The gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the 6L, N, Q, R, and W trains.
Transfer is available to the M14 Select bus service.
This is a Bowling Green bound 5 express train.
The next stop is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 14th Street, Union Square.
Approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available to the L, 4, 5, N, Q, and R trains.
Transfer is available to the M14 Select bus service.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Brooklyn Bridge bound 6 train. The next stop is